Hey Facebook, Emily Davis here with the Wynn Crew. I'm hanging out at 409 Hidden Ridge Court, and I'm really excited to show you guys around. This beautiful house is located on a quiet cul-de-sac right off of Plano Road and has a beautiful backyard view. We're located here in the South Warren School District. This house offers a little over 3,200 square feet because it has a full finished basement that offers a second full kitchen. This house also has beautiful granite countertops and great hardwood floors. Let's go on in and check it out.